Hey guys, so it is October. It is sunny outside. It rained on Monday. Today's Wednesday. I'm currently in class right now, but it's about to end. I'm home alone and I heard a noise. Let me show you guys how I clean my dirty white pants because they're really dirty. Look at them. I haven't filmed, I haven't been on YouTube. I've just been like so focused on school and so many other things. But we got a new puppy and her name's Nova and she's so cute. Nova, look at her. Put my shoes in there. I'm gonna turn on the water. I'm gonna get one of these. This is just like to hold the water from going down. Now that that's in there, I'm just gonna like dip it in and honestly just like let them soak. You're gonna need sote. So these are little because I wash my shoes pretty often, but this is sote. I'll put a picture right here of what the packaging looks like and everything. I found it. So I use oh, that went up my, yeah. Okay, so basically you're gonna need a brush. It doesn't matter what brush as long as you can clean it. I prefer, this is a toothbrush. This is literally like a travel toothbrush that I got when I had braces and I never used, so I just use it for this. I'm gonna wet my sote just a little bit. I'm gonna get my brush and wet it too. Make like a mixture basically, and it's gonna, you can barely see because it's clear, but you're gonna go like this. I'm so scared. If it falls, my camera is like done for. Then you're gonna get your shoe and it's gonna start foaming up. And since my shoes are really dirty, I'm gonna need to like work. You're gonna keep on doing this, and if you need to rinse it, just rinse it. If you need to add more soap, you're gonna need to add more soap. Literally have been scrubbing my shoes. Look at how dirty the water is. Okay, so now I'm in my bathroom. This is what my shoes look like. For the next step, you're gonna need a roll of toilet paper. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use toilet paper and we're gonna like dip it into the water and then place it on the shoe and create like a cast on the shoe so that when we take them out in the sun, it won't get yellow and crusty, and then the rest of the dirt will get off. Usually I would get a bowl, but I'm too lazy, so we're just gonna go like that. That's actually way too much, but it's fine because if it's really wet, you just place it on the shoe and then put like a dry piece and then go with it. I'm gonna speed it up. And then just like that, I think it only took me like 2 minutes. I'm done with the whole shoe, so everything's covered. Make sure you get everything. I'm gonna do the second shoe. Okay, hi guys, I have to film this fast. These are my shoes. I put them on top of my trash can. I had put them on the stool, but I took them off because this little girl is literally gonna bite them. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. I just have to let them, you know, dry. So I brought in my shoes and this is what they look like right now. Take it off. Like all the paper, and then this is my shoe. Wow, they look so white. These are both of my shoes side by side. As you can see, they're so white. Like they look brand new. They look like I bought brand new Vans. So I definitely recommend you guys try that on your white slip-on Vans or just your white shoes in general. I'm pretty sure it would work too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.